Aga bakuna wa. Kwa no aga bakuna. Up.
No post this video. The video is sure you don't succeed.
Soundless. No, it's not to say you don't get sound though. First, people when they around are not going to hear the sound. If you want to hear the sound, come this side.
Don't post this again. Your uncle go think say you don't make am.
I go post am. I go prepare.
So guys, on this day, the members of Nnewi Digital Community came for an excursion at Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing Company, and so many things were shown to them. I was one of them, so we came, we explored, we were shown the electric car, and they drove around the vicinity to show us how noiseless and how fast, how wonderful that electric car is, and then so many other things. Sit back and watch and see how our excursion went. This video shows more of the electric car. More videos are coming from the excursion.
It's electric now.
How much?
This one is the fast charging point. When you go to a charging station, yeah, this one gets filled 0 to 100 in I think 30 minutes. Yeah. Then this one is your normal household AC lights. When you want to charge your phone. With normal light or charge. This one is for charging station. Yeah, the station. Come here for YouTube.
I'm outside, you know.
Standard. So you just tap on the brake, the vehicle is on. Sorry.
I don't really am over that go for some time.
Whether you like it or not.
It is.
What is moving?
Whether I like it or yes.
Does he use all this brake oil, engine oil?
This is the only fluid. Yeah, that's the brake fluid. That's the only thing he uses. Apart from that, nothing else.
Brake fluid.
It doesn't have an engine now, so it doesn't. The steering this thing is electric, so it doesn't need a transmission.
How much?
Engine oil,
The car.
engine oil.
It's valued
No,
at
it doesn't
what?
have an engine, so no engine. Apart from the brake fluid, nothing else.
The car is valued at what?
And the wiper.
Please, what's the price?
It's valued at. Is it in dollars or euros?
Within Nigeria,
Because I don't say Naira. How much is this?
This is
I was telling you not to 2,000 every day. In the next 1 week. Compared to what I have in mind. Because it's cheap, I cannot buy it. Please open. The billionaire doesn't use cheap. Don't use cheap.
electric vehicles and CNG vehicles, like that one standing over there. And green and white. That vehicle CNG vehicle. So what we are going to do now is we're going to go inside, and I'll try and show you the different places where these vehicles are put together. And you can feel free to ask as many questions as you want. That's why you're here. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any question before we proceed inside?
Thank you.
Personally interested in this one.
Design of the vehicles is handled by the company offsite. Everything about here is check for brake, check for speed, acceleration, check the light, check the way, carry out a physical check with the vehicle. You go for your road test because you can. This is an ideal environment. You can be driving a vehicle here, it's not showing you. By the time you go out on the road, you start noticing sounds. So you do a drive test. Shower test is just to check for leakage inside the vehicle. You drive the vehicle inside and you turn it on. There's an intense. Let me just turn it on.
Okay, people that are using their vehicles.
But only the buses are hung on this thing. Are be hung?
Hung.
Only the buses are hung and be hanged on this thing. For other types of vehicles, for other type of vehicles, they actually done like this. You construct the chassis and the attach the tires, engines, everything that you put for under the buses. You do it like this. Other vehicle. Take the empty before you attach the screws. Together. Yes, actually a much more.
This kind of factory.
You guys send engines only to
Let's see, go start.
like dirty engines. Sell them below.
So it's going to come down, pick up the vehicle and start dipping them inside this tank. You see this white tank here?
Yeah.
There are about 12 or 13 different tanks. Each one contains a particular specific chemical. So it's going to be dipping inside the tanks one after the other until it has gone through the whole 12 or 13 tanks. And when it comes out, they push it inside the oven. That is when, after it's been in the oven for like 20-30 minutes, that's when it's now ready for painting. If you look up there, you will see some vehicles that are hanging up there. At night now, they will start doing the electrophoresis. It's only done at night. Electrophoresis treatment. It's only done